transitive dependencies in Maven. Now we are considering transitive dependencies. Dependencies declared in POM's the project's pom.xml file have their own dependencies. Such dependencies are called transitive dependencies. Take the example of Hibernate core. For it to function properly, it requires JBoss logging, DOM4j, Java assist, and so forth. Hibernate core declared in your pom.xml file is considered a direct dependency, and dependencies such as DOM4j and Java assist are considered your project's transitive dependencies. The key benefit of Maven is that it automatically deals with transitive dependencies and include them in your project. This figure provides an example of transitive dependencies. Notice that transitive dependencies can have their own dependencies. As you might imagine, this can quickly get complex, especially when multiple direct dependencies pull different versions of the same jar file. Maven uses a technique called dependency mediation to resolve version conflicts. Simply stated, dependency mediation allows Maven to pull the dependency that is closest to the projects in the dependency tree. This figure shows there are two versions of dependency B 0.0.8 and B 1.0.0. In this scenario, version 0.0.8 of dependency B is included in the project because it's a direct dependency and closest to the tree. Now look at the three versions of dependency F 0.1.3 and 1.0.0 and 2.0. All three dependencies are at the same depth. In this scenario, Maven will use the first found dependency, which would be 0.1.3 and not the latest 2.0 version. If you want Maven to use the latest 2.0 version of Artifact F, you need to explicitly add that version dependency to a pom.xml file. Although highly useful, transitive dependencies can cause problems and unpredictable side effect, as you might end up including unwanted jar files or older versions of jar files. Maven provides a handy dependency plugin that allows to visualize your project dependency tree. There are times where you don't want to include certain transitive dependency jars in final archive. For example, when deploying an Artifact application inside a container such as Tomcat or WebLogic, you might want to exclude certain jar files such as Servlet API or Java EE API, as they would conflict with versions loaded by containers. Maven provides an exclude tag to exclude transitive dependency. Here you can see the project. Here the project version 1.0.0. Here the direct dependencies A, B, C, D, and E. Here the A is connected to the project is connected to the direct dependencies A, B, C, D, and E. Here the A is connected to F and G. Here the C is connected to F and H, and here E is connected to H, and H is connected to B and J, and here E is connected to I and F. Here now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.